How do you delete questions from a test if you've used random blocks? So what I've done is I have imported your test into my sandbox shell to show you what you will need to do to edit your exam. The first thing you'll need to do in your course is go to your course management panel and click on Course Tools and then Test Surveys and Pools. And what you should go ahead and do is right click on Pools and open that in a new tab so you can go to this in a minute when you need it. What we'll now do is go to our tests and you'll find your exam. So I think it's called Exam 1. Here it is, Exam 1. And you'll scroll over it and click on Edit. And then what you'll do is you'll go to your random blocks. And what you should pay attention to is the source pool. And the source pool for this random block of questions is CBA 469, Chapter 1, Fall 2018. So this is the pool. That's the pool name. You'll notice there are 50 questions in the pool. I've already deleted one just because I was playing around. There's 50 questions in this pool. You might have more. And it's taking 12 of those 50. Well, let's say there are a few questions in this set of 50 that you want to delete. What you'll need to do, we opened this earlier. This is the pools. And we need to find the name of the pool. Here's the name of the pool. So scroll over it and click on Edit. And let's say you're going through these questions and you don't like find F for ink. You don't like this question. So you select it here, click on Delete. Click OK. You should have 49 questions. So let's just check that. Let's go back to our test. This is the random block that I deleted the one question from. There's 50. I'm going to hit refresh. And it now reads the correct number, which is 49. So in order to delete questions from your test, if they are in a pool, you'll need to find the name of the pool that is associated with the random block and go to that pool here. Open that up and find the questions that you want to remove and click delete. And then when you go and refresh your test, the correct number will appear.